Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the code execution cannot proceed because concrt140 Dll was not found, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. And how will you do that? So search for it in the Windows search bar. Okay, I already have it installed, but I'll show you the procedure. So we will search for Microsoft C++ Visual redistributable. I'll tell you which all options to go to. Click on this. The first solution, I mean the first option, which is from learn.microsoft.com. Click on Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022. Scroll down. If you have a 64-bit computer, click on the second option. In 99% cases, this is what you have these days. Okay, so click on it and then we will click on open. It will need a few seconds to open it. Then if it is installed, then simply click on repair, or all you need to do is restart your computer after that. If you don't have it, then you will have to reinstall it, but most you'll have it. You just have to click on repair and then on restart. I won't click on restart, else it will end the video, but you have to click on restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.